Okay, to get started, I am going to media, then library, select this black background for my video, then go to text and write a text landscape. Now change the font size. Keep in mind that bold font size is better. I select this font, okay. Now export this clip. Now import your video that you want to insert text. Now import your exported text clip. Exported clip, keep top from your video. Now go to video and change blend mode, normal to darken. Okay, now select video clip and go to adjustment and increase brightness. Now copy and paste the text clip. Alright, now see the result. I hope this video helpful for you. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.